guys, what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Dark but just a game. We're gonna play this with basic chords except for just one that I'm gonna add in there because I couldn't find a substitute for it. But yeah, all the chords are gonna be basic chords except for just one. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 3, and we're playing the following chords. So first chord is an A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. And then we go to G, which is 3, 2, open, 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 3. And then we go to this F, but we're gonna be using an F sharp for the bass. Alright? So instead of playing the F sharp, we're just gonna play. Okay, so this is basically F, which is 1, open, 3, 2, 1, open. But with the bass on the second fret, which is the F sharp. Okay, so it's a variation of F sharp. But if you can play the F sharp, right, you can play that. And then last chord is going to be F. All right, so we have. Sweet old baby. So this is your verse, A minor. Pretty much it for the strumming. Now let's get into the chorus. Okay, so this is where things take a switch, but we're gonna maintain the same pitch, the same capo, sorry. So we go from but you gotta take them for what they got. And while that's crazy, we're getting higher in the parking lot, and then we get into the second part of the song, which is we keep changing all the time. Well, the world is crazy. And then it goes to alright. So this part goes A, which is open, open, 2, 2, 2, open. And then it goes to G. Let me just confirm that. Right. So we have A, and then we go to G, and then we go to that F sharp. But this time I'm holding F sharp and then holding A at the same time. So that's an A6, right? And then we go to, this is the only chord that's not going to be a basic chord, and it's actually a passing chord, so you can omit it if you like. This is a C sharp minor, which is bar the 4th fret and play A minor right in front of that, so it becomes 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. And then we go to D, G, sorry, D, E major. D is open, 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 2, 3, 2. A, E major is open, 2, 2, 1, open, open. And then the last chord is an A, which is open, open, 2, 2, 2, open. Okay, so A, G, and then F sharp, and then C sharp minor, D, sorry, D, and then E, and then A. Alright, so let's play that together. So we have I think that's it for your chorus. Okay, so it's you play that progression twice, the one that I showed you, and then you go to, and then you go to don't even want what's mine, and that part is you don't even want what's mine, much less. And then so that part is F sharp, right? So we have F sharp, E, and then okay, so right, so F sharp to E major, and then D, and then after that, let's just confirm. We have okay, so we have the F sharp, and then we go to E, and then we go to D, and then we go to that C sharp minor, and then the rest is the same, where we have D, E, and then back to A. So that's the last part of the chorus, right? And then we go into okay, and then you repeat that last part. It's dark. Sorry. And it's dark, and it's dark, and it's dark, but it's just a game, right? So that's D, E to A. It's dark, but it's just a game. And then there's like an interlude of just instruments, and that part is that's A. Okay, so that part is A to E, and then we have that F sharp, and then all right, so let's play that whole interlude thing. Sorry. We have D. Sorry, we have A, and then we go to E, and then we have F sharp, and then we have what? Hold on a sec. Oh, so it's the same. It's just A to E, and then F sharp or like A6, right? And then we have, so that's F sharp, and then this is A6, and then we go to sorry, I didn't show you the F sharp chord, which is 2. You basically bar second fret, and then you play E minor in front of that. So that's 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. All right, so we have A to E, and then we have F sharp, and then we go to D. All right, and then we play again A, E, F sharp, and then D. All right, and then we get into, I think the next part is the verse, which is the same. Yep, is the verse, and it's the same as the first part, which is right. It's darkness like a game, so play it like a symphony. Sweet or whatever, baby. So that's pretty much it for the whole song, guys. This is not exactly a beginner song. That's why I couldn't really find like a substitute to play for that C sharp minor. But hey, you can't be a beginner your whole life. So at some point you're gonna have to escalate your playing game. So do try this out and let me know how it goes in the comment section. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.